Tiny Land Wooden Baby Walker. First steps, big smiles. Safe, fun and Montessori approved. Your baby's first steps are a milestone worth celebrating, so why not make it fun, safe, and developmentally rich? The Tiny Land Wooden Baby Walker is more than just a push toy. It's a Montessori-inspired activity center that encourages walking, learning, and play all in one. Designed with an interactive panel featuring a mirror, spinning gears, and vibrant colors, this walker sparks curiosity while building motor skills. Unlike flimsy plastic alternatives, this solid wooden walker offers sturdy support, making it the ultimate sidekick for your little explorer's walking journey. Plus, the rear rack lets them carry their favorite toys for added companionship. Safety is non-negotiable, and that's why this walker is built for controlled learning. With an adjustable speed control system, your baby can walk at their own pace. No runaway walkers here. Whether they're just getting started or gaining confidence, this feature ensures a secure and customizable walking experience. The silent, floor-friendly rubber wheels protect both your baby and your floors, making it perfect for hardwood, tile, or carpeted surfaces. Unlike other walkers that skid or tip easily, this one glides smoothly while keeping your little one safe and stable. Made from natural, non-toxic wood, the Tiny Land Wooden Baby Walker is a parent-approved, eco-friendly choice. Its smooth, polished finish ensures no splinters or rough edges, while the durable craftsmanship means it's built to last, perfect for passing down to younger siblings. The modern, colorful design makes it not just a walker, but a stylish addition to your home. No gaudy plastic, no loud electronics, just simple, timeless fun that blends seamlessly with any decor while keeping your baby engaged and active. Why settle for a walker that only does half the job? This all-in-one activity walker supports motor skill development, balance, hand-eye coordination, and sensory learning, all while making walking feel like an adventure. The Montessori-inspired design fosters independent learning and problem-solving, setting the stage for a confident, capable little walker. Plus, with its quick and easy assembly, you'll have it ready for action in no time, because parents deserve convenience, too. Bottom line? The Tiny Land Wooden Baby Walker is a game-changer for babies taking their first steps. It's safe, sturdy, stylish, and packed with engaging features that grow with your child. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful gift or an upgrade from flimsy plastic models, this walker delivers top-notch quality, durability, and endless fun. Give your baby the perfect start to their walking adventure, one safe, exciting step at a time.